In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Helium 10 to Amazon. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your Helium 10 account, and then once you are in here, you want to go ahead, click on your profile icon and name at the very top right, and then you want to click on Connections over here, which is one of the buttons, as you can see. And then once you click on the connections, you'll be able to see two options. You can either go ahead and connect one of your seller accounts when this loads up. There we go. So you can connect your seller account or one of your PPC accounts. Okay. So we're going to go with a seller account right now to connect to Amazon. So you simply want to click on connect your seller account. And then it says, what account would you like to connect? Click on Amazon and click on next. Next, you have to basically connect your existing account, but to be able to do this, you have to first choose the Amazon region in which you are selling. So you have North America, Europe, and Asia. I'm going to do North America right now. And you want to click on Initiate in Seller Central. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to pop up a new browser window where you essentially just have to sign into your account. So over here, sign in with your email and password to your Amazon seller account. And after you do that, press sign in. You're going to have to basically go through like a few more steps where you have to just confirm everything. And then it's going to say your connection has been successful and you've successfully connected Helium 10 to your Amazon account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.